Kini kikor komputer, kiba internet bador badar. Ni di hajan jongpi, hangne hadukan jongi. Han Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex, Harishan Enterprise, haka kamera kaba shispa iway. Refurbished laptop but desktop. Phun hau number. Pra iway layar not sau pra san sau. Lane pra lainyo arnyo sawar nriunyo. Skills Meghalaya. Kalat sengkam ya kisamla. Northeast Institute of Professional Studies Bhoi. Habas kem kalaway kikun samla. Skemro kejala. Ka jingwan jong ka ayom terkhong. Bat ka jingdon jong ki nongshim kabu ban thang Dusmon ni ki khlaw ki batam. Tang ban penhon yik jingsong kwa thang. Namar ka jing terkhong ki plang ki kenban. Bat ka balaja ru jan man lagasngi. Baki khlaw lagi deha rut nong ne kampaji na ki shnong ki thaw. Ki ying bat julap ye ki nong le Dusmon. Kini kalapan long ya ki bor pinya distrik Bhoi ban Pynmih sendon dag jing maham bat ko hukum ya baro baladodon ki bathang Dusmon ni ki khlaw ki batam klem dadon kam kin ngat jing Jingpynshitom Deputy Commissioner ke Bhoi district apa pentip sha ki lat thai khubor hanin gasngi ulong bada ke jing sokhya halor kene ke jing thang khlaw ba klem don kam ke bor district kalapan mi da section shispa andripulai BNS hak bagi lakhang persya ban thang khlaw kabalong hakeleng ki jaka ki badang hap apa ke Jingpynshitom baru purusam jong district ulong ru bagane lale nak banta ban yada ya ke jingim jong ki breu ki mrat ki mreng baru ban lait nak jing jabo jong kaler ban pentri kam ya gene hukum labtha ya office with divisional forest officer social forestry bat ka soil and water conservation ban penlong ya ke Jingpyngor Shushu la kenturu ya kirang basnong makini trilang bat ki bor penya district ban shimkhia halor kane bat ladalap ye kino ki bru ki bathang khlaw klumar ki depan pentip se ki bor badi khmi lane pentip se katanat pulit kenang ba on yole ye badan kam persya ye ki bale Dusmon.
The deliberate burning of forests in this dry season is a major problem faced by the district, as a result of which the district administration has issued an order under section 163 of the BNS wherein we have prohibited all the deliberate burning of forests within the jurisdiction of the Bhoi district. This we have done to protect forest regeneration, simultaneously to protect the lives of humans and wildlife, and simultaneously to prevent air pollution from taking place. The two departments which have been made responsible to enforce the same are the DFO Social Forestry as well as Soil and Water Conservation Office. However, we have also requested them to take all the local authority, that is the headmen and the Rangbashnongs of the village, into confidence. We appeal to all the headmen and the Rangbashnongs that they should cooperate with the district administration. They should take this issue seriously, and those people who are burning down the forest for whatever reasons, they should be, the headmen should inform the concerned authorities who are responsible for implementation of this order, and they should report to the local police as well. With the cooperation of the local authorities only, we hope that the forest fire burning can be controlled to some extent in order to protect the lives of humans and wildlife together.
Rainbow of Sound Music Academy kepadon hakashnong Maubri Bhoi District, a music school kebajupelong Shisian Shitiau Little Flower Higher Secondary School Maubri. Hakasngi sajan adu shpobuji main step hadu sabuji janmir. Kepadyak sumpai pi baro ki kena ki bandadu nyau senam cheneng ki samla ya piru baro ki long kemilong kepa ki bakwa banyo jingi kai jingnang shapang music. Hakane music school don keyboard ki jingi kai kum ki gitar, keyboard, duitara, kabom, sing, drum, Indian vocal, western vocal but khasi vocal. Kane music school kejupunya street performance but ki concert aman law senam kum kadak ajing shlore ki khna ki bawan puli hakane music school ti parlok baro 1 ban shim ni admission hakane music school.
Pidon kam projector ban Pynmih film ni pidon kam projector nak bentai ki awareness program jongpi phun singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei khandai hendru yue ar nyau lai